Hey there, adventurers. If you're ready to explore the underwater world, having the right snorkel mask is key. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one? Well, today we're diving into the top 5 full-face snorkel masks, counting down from the least best to the absolute top pick. Stick around to find out which mask is the perfect fit for your next aquatic adventure. Let's start with the Otoland Snorkeling Package. This one comes as a complete set, including a mask, snorkel, and even fins. Perfect for those just starting out or anyone who wants a convenient all-in-one kit. Now, don't get me wrong, this mask has some great features. The anti-leak design is solid, and the adjustable straps mean it fits a variety of face shapes. The panoramic view is a nice touch, giving you a good look at your underwater surroundings. But it's a bit bulkier than some of the other masks on this list. It's a good option for beginners, but if you're looking for something that offers long-term comfort and seamless breathing, it might not be your top choice. Next up is the Mask Fins snorkeling gear for adults. If you're into simplicity, this mask might just be your new best friend. This mask has all the essentials: anti-leak technology, a wide field of vision, and adjustable straps for a snug fit. It's definitely a solid choice for a no-fuss snorkeling experience. But compared to the other masks, it's a bit less breathable, and you might find it less comfortable on longer snorkels. The fit is great for most face shapes, but it doesn't quite have the high-end features some of the others do. Still, it's a reliable, budget-friendly option if you just want to jump in and start exploring. Coming in at number 3 is the full-face snorkel mask for adults and teens. This one's got a bit more to offer, and it's perfect for those who want something more practical. This mask features a detachable design, making it super easy to clean and store. Plus, it has a great panoramic view, which is a must for anyone who wants to take in all the beauty of the ocean. The anti-leak system is pretty effective, and the adjustable straps help it fit securely on most faces. While it's a great option for everyday use, it doesn't quite deliver the level of comfort and breathability that some of the higher-end models offer. But for most snorkelers, this is a fantastic, easy-to-use mask. Number 2 on our list is the Grayteaver G2 full-face snorkel mask. This one is definitely a step up. With its panoramic design, the Grayteaver G2 gives you a fantastic 180-degree view of everything around you. It's one of the best for visibility, and it has excellent anti-fogging properties, something a lot of masks struggle with. The breathing system on this mask is pretty smooth too, which makes for a more enjoyable and comfortable snorkeling experience. The only downside? It's a bit bulkier than the number 1 mask on the list, so it's not as streamlined. But if you want an all-around great mask with impressive features, the Grayteaver G2 is a winner. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to, drumroll please, the Seaview 180 V3 full-face snorkel mask. This mask is truly the best of the best. With its patented 180-degree panoramic view, you'll feel like you're swimming in an aquarium. The anti-leak design is top-notch, and it has an incredibly comfortable fit thanks to its adjustable straps. The Seaview 180 V3 also features a dry-top snorkel, which prevents water from entering when you dive too deep. And unlike some of the other masks, it's incredibly breathable, making it perfect for longer snorkeling trips. If you want the most comfortable, breathable, and visually stunning snorkel experience, this is the mask to get. So there you have it, the top 5 full-face snorkel masks. Whether you're a first-timer or an experienced snorkeler, there's a mask on this list for you. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, happy snorkeling.